In this video, I'm going to show you how to export images with the export panel in Adobe Bridge. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to enable the export panel. To do this, you want to go to Window up top, and then you want to click on the export button over here. You want to make sure it has a check mark. So just like this, it now has a check mark, and the export panel by default is going to be down here at the bottom left, okay? So in here, if you want to actually export images with the export panel, you first want to select the images you want to export. So as you can see here, I have a bunch of images. They're all the same, but you get the point. So I'm going to just go and export a few of them. So I'm going to highlight these three over here, and I'm going to drag and drop them here into custom export. Now you could also go and export to DNG. I'm just going to hover and click on here over custom export. Whenever you do this, as you can see, you're going to have to select your preset. I'm going to select the custom export, and then you have different options. So you have saving options. You can put them into original file location or a specific folder if you want to select one as well. Then you can go and save to a subfolder, which you can give a name. You can go and manage conflicts. You can go and select image formats. So for me, I'm just going to go with a PNG. Bit depth is going to be 16 for me, and the color space, I'm just going to leave it as this default, okay? Then you can also save transparency if you want to or not. And then if you want to resize, you could do that too, or you could scale images as well, so completely up to you. And last but not least, you can change metadata down here if you wanna, and of course the content credentials. Now whenever you're ready, you can simply hit the start export button here in the top right of this window. So whenever you click on this, as you can see, there we go, it's going to start exporting, and it's going to give you like a timeline over here. So 1 is done right now, and then it's going to go to 2, and then after a few seconds 3 are going to go through. Now depending on how many images you actually are exporting, this is going to be quick or a bit longer. So for me it was quite fast, but if you have like tens or maybe even hundreds of images at once, then this is going to take a bit more time. Whenever you do this, you can just close this or clear the jobs as well. And yeah, that's essentially all you have to do to export images with the export panel in Adobe Bridge. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.